What's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin here. And what I want to do something that's really cool here. Like imagine taking headphones. See these headphones right here? Imagine taking these headphones, putting them into those ears of yours and making $12 every single time. Okay? Every Drake song, every Beyonce song. All my single ladies, all my single. Like imagine making $12 every single song. The thing is, I wish they had this back when I was in middle school because I listened to a lot of music. And I'm pretty sure that you're listening to music right now. But the problem is you're not getting paid a dime for it. So listen, what I'm about to show you, undeniable proof right here in this video here, how you're going to basically listen to music, okay? All you need is a pair of headphones. What I like to do is I like to make money from my bed, so I'm in my bed. You like to make love from your bed, okay? But me, no. I don't want to make love from my bedroom. I want to make money from my bedroom. I'm going to show you here. I have my laptop right here, and I'm going to show you step by step how to listen to music, any type of music, and get paid forever. And that's $12. So imagine making $12 every single song over and over and over again. $120 a day is 30 minutes of listening to music. That's $3,000 a month. What does that mean, Wes? You'll never have to work another job, ever. All I ask you to do is this. Smash the like button. Show me some love because I'm giving to you for free. Because I'm sick and tired of you guys being sick and tired of your jobs, right? And I want you to be financially free. So check it out. We're going to start right here. Look, go to the site. It's called playlistpush.com. Now listen, just follow the directions here. Don't try to fast forward through the video. You need to pay close attention and just do everything that I do, big head. Because if you don't, you'll never have a view like that. I want you to have sandals like this that say king or queen, whatever your name is. And I want you to have a view like this. I want you to relax in life, right? And make money like me from the bedroom. I'm relaxed. That's what, listen, let me show you something. Folks, that's why I look so young, because I'm making money from the bedroom. You making love, right? But you got a job and you can't stay in your job. I'm trying to teach you how to make money from the bedroom by listening to music. That's it. Waking up, listening to music, making money. Okay? All right, hold up. Let me switch it around. Give me a second. All right, so look, go to this website right here, playlistpush.com, and basically artists around the world, they upload the music every single day, and they have people like you that review it. That's it, okay? You know, everybody's trying to be the next Drake, next Beyonce, next Nicki Minaj. I get it. So what they do is these people subscribe to sites like this, and they want people to review, such as you. You're the listeners. And they're going to pay you for it. Does that make sense? They're going to pay you for basically listening to music on this site right now. So write that site down and listen. Like I said, begin. Follow me, right? Don't move too fast. Because you may say, oh, I've seen that before. Oh, I'm going to move. Listen, if you don't pay attention, you're going to be broke. I'm telling you, it won't work for you. You won't have the Versace wallpaper. I'm telling you, you won't. You won't have that $1 billion view right there. That's what I want for you. Okay. Now look, check it out. Oh, guys, if you don't mind, can you smash the like button? And you know what? Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna earn your like real quickly here. So I'm willing to dance or sing to earn your like right now. So comment below. Okay. If you want me to dance or sing right now, I will do that for you for the like. Okay. This is my dance. And this is my singing. Hello. I'm going to earn that like, watch. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that Okay, there you go. That's $12. Like imagine listening to that and making $12, baby. Right? I know what you're thinking. Contract. I know. Relax. Okay, look. I make more money than rap people or rap artists and all that. Listen, so you want to go to the site here, okay? And what you're going to do is click on the button that says creators, okay? Spotify playlist creators. Okay. Click on that. That's going to take you to a site like this. I know you guys are excited right now. I know. And I know you want me to sing more, but I'm not, because you got to pay me $12. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, look. So, basically, as promised here, you see that? $12 per song review. $12. Like, imagine just listening to like 10 songs a day, 20 songs a day. That's $240 a day. Did you know the average person doesn't even make $100 a day? And the great thing I love about this site here, they give you instant payouts. They're going to pay out every single week to your bank account, directly to your bank account, right? And all you got to do is just listen to the songs. That's it. You see here? This is legit. This is true. And it works. Look, sign me up. Can you do that? Now listen, once you get to this page, it's something very specific that you need to do. So please pay attention, okay? If you try to do it your way, well, you're going to make $0. But if you do it Wesley's way, well, you're going to make $12 every song you listen to, okay? So we scroll here. Put United States, okay? United States of America right here. And listen, even if you live outside the United States, just do that for right now. I'm sure Canada, United K, it works, but just for this video, because I want you to get approved. If you don't get approved, then you've wasted time in this video, okay? If you don't get approved, I mean, you didn't pay attention to the video here. Like, I appreciate you liking it. I appreciate the comments below, sharing how much you love me. But listen, you can put this, United States. I don't care where you are on the planet, okay? Scroll down. Click on yes, I do own a playlist. Now I get it. You might say, Wesley, I don't have a playlist. Listen, I'm going to give you one, obviously. Just relax, okay? I'm just showing you how to get through the system so you'll get approved. Because if you don't, you're going to get denied. You know, it's so funny. Many of you still will get denied because many of you are so hard-headed, you're still going to try to do it your way. And that's why you're broke, average, and just you're not getting what you want, which is that moolah, baby. I'm a master of money. I know how to get it, okay? How many followers does your playlist have, okay? Listen, don't choose that. Choose this. Boom. Okay, see, because you get a screen like this. Now listen, if you don't do that, let me show you what happens. Let me show you what happens when you don't listen, okay? Say if you're in the United States of America here, and I'm pretty sure you can do any country here, but it's very safe with United States here. And say if you click on this, denied, you're going to get denied. You're going to get those big old red letters, right? Sir, you can't do it. Why? Because you don't listen to Wesley Virgin. Wesley Virgin told you what to do, and you decided to disagree with him. Don't do that, okay? Just listen to me, okay? So, listen, let's do this again. United States of America. And I'm going to give you the playlist. I'm going to give you everything you need, trust me, from A to Z in this video here. So, just be patient, okay? If you have any questions, put them in the comment below. Yes? You see that? Okay? You're going to click here. And you're going to click here, I want to apply. And as you can see here, you're going to connect to your Spotify account. Now listen, what I want you to do is this. I want you to stay on the other page. Don't click the button because you can't get approved yet because obviously you don't have 1,000 people to follow your playlist. But you will right before this video, okay? Now listen, what I'm going to do, you see this right here? This is Wesley's playlist here, okay? This is a real life playlist, Overnight Millionaire, which I am an overnight millionaire, I guess. That's what people say in the blogs about me on the internet here. If you click on here, this is my Spotify here. I have 1,400 followers here, and I have 3,000 followers here. So the question is, well, Wesley, how do I get those followers, you know? And listen, you don't have to go to Facebook. You don't need Instagram. You don't need to go to Reddit. Forget those sites. What I'm going to do is this. Let me turn the video down because I need to look at you in your eyes here. Listen. Teamwork makes the dream work. Okay? That means if me and you work together with this platform, all the people that's going to watch it, thousands of people will watch this video here. Imagine if everybody worked together and everybody right now created a playlist on Spotify. The playlist can be your music or it can be from my podcast, which is free. Okay? And you post your link under the video and say, follow me, guys, and I'll follow you back. Listen, if we all do this together, if we all do this together and we all hit 1,000 people in the next 48 to 72 hours, you will make $12 every single song. You'll have tears in your eyes. Because you'll never have to go to that job again. Especially if you work at Walmart, Target, fast food. You know those bullshit jobs, right? Listen, $35,000 to $4,000 a month is nothing to sneeze at. And all you're doing is listening and doing something that you already do. All you have to do is this. Create the playlist. Look at me. Listen. I'm about to slap you. Because you don't listen. Like I'm trying to give you the game, baby. I'm showing you how I'm always just... I know how to make that money, baby. Okay? Listen. Take the playlist. Okay? Put that playlist in the comment section. Say, follow me, and I'll follow you back. Everybody that listening to this video right now, follow each other. That's it. And then within 48 to 72 hours, I would have maybe like 30,000 people that's going to watch this video here. Okay? That's all you got to do. And as a matter of fact, if you tag more people and say, hey, you want to make $12 per song, tag somebody. And that's more people. That's called teamwork that makes the dream work. Because nobody is an island. You can't do it by yourself, right? And I know you want to do it by yourself, but you have a team. You, all you beautiful people, like you, men and women, right? If we did this together, listen, this is what you do, okay? I'm going to put the playlist links below, okay? I'm going to put them below. You need to create one. You can use them for mine, which is right here. You can go to the Wesley Virgin podcast, and you can create your own playlist from your phone, from your laptop right now, using my podcast. And it's free. You can listen to it all day long, okay? Many people that's a part of my private coaching, they get access to this, and I'm giving it to you for free, okay? And then once you get your playlist like I did, Wesley Virgin here, people will start to follow you because you're going to put your playlist in the comment section under this video. Is that clear? And then within 48 to 72 hours, as long as we do it together and you do it right, we all will have 1,000 people and your account will look like this. I'm sorry. Look, because they're going to check. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see here, I'm getting reviewed. And listen, when you fill out the little form, let me tell you what to do. When you fill out that form, you tell them, say, hey, I'm building my audience, because they're going to ask you, how did you build it? Say, I'm building it through Instagram. I'm building it to do self-development. I go to blogs. And I collect people. That's why people want to listen to my music or listen to my podcast, right? Just tell them you're in a self-development niche. If you're doing my podcast right here, if you're doing your songs, then you have to come up with something. But I do recommend to say that you're in a self-development niche and you're here to help the world and you have a podcast that you've added many songs to and you want to share that with the world, okay? That's it. Make sense? Sound like a humanitarian there, okay? And then you're going to be in review and they're just going to approve you. It's that easy. And then guess what? Guess what, big head? Then you will be making $12 per song. So, in the comment below, put your playlist. Tell people to follow you and you're going to follow them back. Let's do this all day. And listen, you can share this video. Listen, if we all share this together, if we have thousands of people that will share this video all over the internet, all over the web, like right now, all over the web, now, your Facebook page, tag some people. You know some broke people, don't you? Well, tag them. Right? Let's have a good Friday night, baby. Tag other people. Say, hey, you want to make $12? Follow me here. Watch this video. Do exactly what this young black brother is talking about here. He's talking about making money from his bed. Not making love, but making money. Or you can do both.